Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Success Pro. From today I am going to start another video series and that is for weekly current affairs. Today it is the first video where we cover the current affairs from 29th June to 5th July. Now let's start the video. Who took over as the chairman of Indian Oil Corporation? Indian Oil Corporation এর চেয়ারম্যান হিসেবে কে নিযুক্তি পেয়েছেন? Answer is Shrikant Madhav Vaidya. Next, who is the Attorney General of India? K.K. Venugopal. Which application has been launched to help athletes to stay updated on banned substance? That is NADA app. National Doctors Day is celebrated on কোন দিন ন্যাশনাল ডক্টরস ডে সেলিব্রেট করা হয়? দ্যাট ইজ 1st July. Next, what is the name of educational channel that has been launched by Assam government in the amid of corona pandemic? That is Gyan Vriksha channel launched by Assam government. From 1st July, whose state government launched Kill Corona campaign to control the spread of COVID-19 in the state? তো মধ্যপ্রদেশ কিল করোনা ক্যাম্পেইনটা স্টার্ট করেছে। For which program World Bank approved $500 million to India for bettering the quality of school education in its 6 states? It is strengthening teaching, learning and results for states. That is STARS. স্টার্সের জন্য $500 million ওয়ার্ল্ড ব্যাংক অ্যাপ্রুভ করেছে। নেক্সট ইজ হোয়াট ইজ দ্য ফার্স্ট ইন্ডিজিনিয়াস কোভিড-19 ভ্যাকসিন টু রিসিভ অ্যাপ্রুভাল টু কন্ডাক্ট হিউম্যান ক্লিনিক্যাল ট্রায়ালস? হিউম্যান ক্লিনিক্যাল ট্রায়ালসের জন্য কোন ভ্যাকসিনটা অ্যাপ্রুভাল পেয়েছে? কোভ্যাক্সিন। হুইচ স্টেট হ্যাজ ডেভেলপ ইন্ডিয়াস ফার্স্ট লাইকেন পার্ক? ইন্ডিয়াস ফার্স্ট লাইকেন পার্কটা কোথায় ডেভেলপড হয়েছে? দ্যাট ইজ উত্তরাখণ্ড। Recently, China has claimed territories of which country? Bhutan. Bhutan's territory claim করেছিল চায়না। Which country is the first country to control locust through drones? That is India is the first country যে ড্রোনের মাধ্যমে লকাস্টটা কন্ট্রোল করবে। Recently, World Bank has approved $400 million loan to India for which project? For Namami Ganga project, $400 million has approved by World Bank. Which country has hosted 36th Asian Summit by video conference? That is Vietnam. Vietnam hosted 36th Asian Summit by video conference. Whose state was declared as disturbed area for 6 more months under ASPA Act 1958 by the central government? That is Nagaland. What is the current reverse repo rate? Current reverse repo rate হলো 3.35%. Who has been appointed as India's next permanent representative to the United Nations? Indramani Pandar. पौधे लगाओ पर्यावरण बचाओ campaign was started for 17 days by which state or union territory government? That is Delhi government started the campaign पौधे लगाओ पर्यावरण बचाओ. Which cricketer has been named as most valuable player of India by Wisden? Ravindra Jadeja. Ravindra Jadeja has been named as most valuable player. Who has been appointed new CEO of Central Board of Film Certification? Answer is Ravindra Bhakar has been appointed a new CEO of Central Board of Film Certification. Which bank has launched E-Kisan Dhan application for farmers? HDFC launched E-Kisan Dhan application for farmers. With which country India has started joint venture for LPG gas business? With Bangladesh, India has started joint venture for LPG gas business. According to recent data, what is India's trade deficit with China in 2019-20? It is 48.66 billion. Recently, a boycott campaign Stop Hate for Profit was launched against which company? Facebook. Against Facebook, Stop Hate for Profit campaign is launched. Under which project Maharashtra government has launched the world's largest plasma therapy trial? Under the project of Platina, Maharashtra government has launched the world's largest plasma therapy trial. The Telangana Chief Minister launched the year-long celebration to commemorate the birth centenary of which Prime Minister? That is P.B. Narasimha Rao. With which country India has signed the concession agreement for the 600 megawatt Kholangchu hydropower project? With Bhutan, India has signed the Kholangchu hydropower project. First plasma bank of India is to be set up by which state or Union Territories government? That is Delhi set up the first plasma bank of India. 29th June, National Statistics Day is observed. Which is the only Indian city to be included in world's top 30 startup ecosystem ranking 2020? Bengaluru. Which state's Panchayati Raj department has won first prize under the E-Panchayat Puraskar 2020? That is Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh won the first prize under E-Panchayat Puraskar 2020. Which country has issued arrest warrant against Donald Trump? Iran. Iran has issued arrest warrant against Donald Trump. A massive fire broke out at which oil well in Assam, Bagjan in Tishukia district? What was the theme of 36th Asian Summit 2020? The theme was Cohesive and Responsive ASEAN. Recently, Indian Navy has inducted a torpedo into force. What's its name? Marich. Which country will vote for constitutional reforms amid Corona pandemic on 1st July? Russia. Whose day is celebrated as National Postal Workers Day? 1st July celebrated as National Postal Workers Day. First plasma bank of India is to be set up by which state and union territory government? Delhi. Who has become the first women's chief secretary of Punjab? Winnie Mahajan became the first woman chief secretary of Punjab. Which laboratory of Assam became the fourth lab in India and first lab in Northeast to isolate COVID-19 virus strain? Regional Medical Research Center RMRC Dibrugarh in Assam became the fourth lab in India and first lab in Northeast to isolate COVID-19 virus strain. Assam government has decided for the upgradation of which wildlife sanctuary to national park? It is Dihim Patka Wildlife Sanctuary has been decided by government for the upgradation to national park. তো এগুলো ছিল 40টি কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্স। নেক্সট সানডেতে এই উইকের কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্সগুলো নিয়ে আসবো। আপনাদের যদি ভালো লাগে ভিডিওটি তাহলে লাইক করবেন আর এই ধরনের এডুকেশনাল ভিডিওসগুলো পাওয়ার জন্য সাবস্ক্রাইব করে রাখবেন। থ্যাংক ইউ।